In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal using Klarna. This process is perfect for those who enjoy the flexibility Klarna offers and prefer PayPal for online transactions. Let's dive right in and tackle this step by step. First off, you'll want to head over to Klarna's website. Simply open your browser and type in klarna.com, then hit enter. Klarna is a fabulous service that offers you the freedom to purchase items now and pay for them later, making it an ideal solution for those last-minute purchases or when you're running a bit short on funds for the month. Once you've arrived at the Klarna website, it's time to log in. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials. It's important to ensure that all your details, such as payment information, are up to date to avoid any hitches later on. But if you're new to Klarna, no worries. Creating an account is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to set up your new account. You'll need an email address and a secure password. Remember, a good password is crucial to keep your personal information safe online. With your account ready to go, navigate to the shopping section of Klarna's site. Here, you'll find an impressive array of products from various retailers. This section is essentially a digital mall, and you should take your time to explore all the available options. Whether you're on the hunt for clothing, electronics, or even home goods, Klarna's shopping platform has something for everyone. After you've picked out a product, whether it's those sneakers you've been eyeing or the latest tech gadget, go ahead and add it to your cart. Clicking Add to Cart is just like tossing that coveted item into your cart at your local store. But unlike a physical store, you have the added benefit of payment flexibility through Klarna. With your shopping complete and your cart ready, it's time to check out. Here's a neat trick. Klarna lets you choose PayPal as a payment option directly at checkout. This feature is perfect for those who prefer to keep their transactions through PayPal for its buyer protection and ease of use. Click on the PayPal button and you'll find yourself redirected to the PayPal login page. Go ahead and enter your PayPal login credentials. Once you're logged in, PayPal will guide you through the purchase, confirming your payment information and Klarna's payment terms. And there you have it. Once you've completed these prompts, you can sit back and relax. Your purchase will be processed through PayPal, with Klarna offering you the option to manage your payment schedule according to your needs. Thanks for joining me, and happy shopping with Klarna and PayPal.